Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shamika and today I'm doing my first Halloween tutorial. This tutorial was inspired by Aaliyahjay 3D spider tutorial and I just wanted to recreate the look. And jumping right into it, I'm taking a black eyeliner. This is like a creamy one, and I'm just going to put that all over my lid to give me that smoky effect because I'm going for a black smoky eye. And then I'm going to go in with this brown eyeshadow to give me a transition in between the black eyeshadow and then my skin tone, I guess you can say. Okay, so now I'm going in with a black eyeshadow and I'm just going to put that over top of that black eyeliner to just darken it up to give me a very nice smoky eye. And after I finish placing down that black eyeshadow, I'm just going to go back in and blend this all out between the eyeshadow and the brown eyeshadow that I use for my transition color. Okay, so now I'm going in with a black eyeliner pencil and I'm just going to start drawing the legs on. You want to do 4 legs at the bottom and 4 legs at the top. And if I keep looking over, it's because I'm looking at her picture as I draw my legs on so I can get a kind of idea where I want my legs to go. And if you guys kind of mess up, you can always take a concealer, just paint over top of it and let it sit for a minute and then start redrawing. Okay, so now I'm taking some concealer and I'm just going to clean up the legs on it just so it won't be so messy because look, the struggle was real, okay? So I'm just taking the concealer and cleaning up the legs, making them look a little bit more neater. Okay, so here I'm going in with the liquid eyeliner and then I'm just going to draw over the eyeliner I use, the pencil eyeliner, and I'm going to use the liquid eyeliner just to define it even more. The eyeliner pencil the eyeliner pencil, it was kind of just like for my rough draft. So now I'm just going over with the liquid eyeliner to give it more definition. Okay, so in the Aaliyahjay tutorial, she used the green eyeshadow to go up underneath um, her eyes, well, on her lower eyelash. I decided to use purple just to give it my own sense of style. So I'm going to go in with that first purple first, and I'm going to put that under my lid. And then I'm going to go in with the second purple just to brighten it up a little bit. Okay, so now I'm going in with this NYX eyeshadow base, and it's in the color white, and I'm going to do the highlight on the legs of the spider with the white, and I just want to put two, I want to say like two little dots or two little highlights, one at the top and one at the end of the leg, and I'm going to do that on all 8 legs. Okay, so now I'm going in with a black eyeshadow, and I'm just going to kind of make a shadow with the legs, like at the end of the legs, and I'm going to bring it inwards to make a little shadow so to give it more 3D effect. And she used the gray in her video, but I'm going to use the black for me only because I'm a little darker and it was kind of hard to see the gray, so yeah. And I'll be sure to leave her video down below so you guys can see her video as well. So to match the purple up underneath my eyes, I decided to do my lips a purple color. So I'm just going in with the purple color. I'll leave it down in the description box what color I actually use. But yeah, I'm just going in with that. Okay, so I decided to be just a little extra, so I decided to actually draw another spider around my mouth. So basically I'm going to be doing the same thing I did to my eye, just to my lips. So yeah. Also, off camera, I decided to put on some falsies, and I will have the name of those in the description box. And this is the final look, you guys. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out Aaliyahjay's tutorial. It will be in the description box. And make sure you subscribe to my channel and be on the lookout for more Halloween tutorials. Bye!